Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. We've got in front of us a new revision, a new version of the WideMaxx kit for the Traxxas Maxx. So for those of you who are not familiar with this is basically a longer set of arms, turnbuckles, different shock springs and some other things. Basically to widen your Traxxas Maxx by another 1.5 inches approximately, about 3/4 inch per side. Super popular upgrade for the Traxxas Maxx. A lot of people complain about rolling over on their truck, and this helps to alleviate that problem. I personally have kind of been hesitant to pick this thing up for a few reasons. One was that I felt like it wasn't really necessary. You know, the Traxxas Maxx out of the box definitely does roll over quite a bit, especially like on pavement or the street or whatever. But there are some tuning tricks you can do, just simple adjustments to the shock location, shock oils and stuff, which help you avoid rollovers in your Traxxas Maxx. And I have videos out there on how to basically tune your Traxxas Maxx to avoid rollovers and to get to drive a little bit better. But a couple other reasons why I have not picked up the WideMaxx kit up to this point. Another is that the wider arms basically usually make the truck a little more easy to brake, just because there's more leverage on those arms if you smash into something. There's more leverage on the hinge pins, the arms, and the drive shafts, everything tends to break. And then the last reason is that with this Max kit, the original version of this actually did not have different half shafts. So there's a problem with the drive shafts because you had less overlap between the two half shafts. Basically they would not engage, they would kind of twist and Twizzler themselves out of shape and then basically break a lot more easily. Now, I am happy to see that they actually updated the WideMaxx kit. So this is version 2, and the way you can tell a difference is that it says it includes the extended outer half shaft. So it's the exact same part number. I think it's still the same price. I paid 50 bucks for mine. But if you're going to pick up a WideMaxx kit, definitely make sure you have the V2 versions, which includes the outer half shafts, because that is pretty much critical to get this thing to work correctly. So I kind of feel like they messed up with the original version of the WideMaxx. People were having problems with the half shafts. They really just did not work properly. So we're gonna take a look inside and see what now comes in the box. So originally, you know, you pretty much had to buy the $50 kit, and then you basically had to buy like metal CVAs for your truck, basically to get the drive shafts to prevent them from breaking. That was like another $120. So overall, you were spending something like $170, $180 just to get all the parts you needed. So as you can see, longer front arms and rear arms. I think they're exact same arms, if I recall correctly, on the Traxxas Maxx. Longer upper arms as well, full set of 4. Stiffer springs, so you run these in the rear and then take your rear springs and run them in the front. Longer toe links or camber links, and then finally, yeah, you can see those are the updated drive shafts. So let's kind of take a look at those real quick. So when you extend the arms basically 3/4 inch per side, I think it's 20 millimeters per side, you basically end up with less about 3/4 inch less overlap on the actual drive shafts. And so you can see, yeah, these are quite a bit longer, and these just kind of spline onto the existing drive shaft. So it is only one side, and you do have to basically pop these off your old drive shafts. I think they're held on by E-clips, so I do have a video explaining how to get E-clips off. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we got in the box. Stiffer springs, toe links, arms, upper and lower. So yeah, there's a quick look at the WideMaxx kit. The other thing you'll need are some stiffer shock oils. Interesting, they show you the rear shock pistons. Okay, so they kind of explain that the rear shocks use 1.2s, and I guess the fronts are probably 1.1s. I'm not really sure. Interesting. And then the other information here that you'll have to check out: how to install the outer half shafts. Pull them off, and then I guess they say use some needle nose pliers or something to pop those off. I do it a little bit differently. I do have a video that I'll link in here. Remove the cross pins, the little swivel mount there, and then you just pop them back on. Also in French. So yeah, there you have it. That is a look inside the V2 version of the Traxxas Maxx WideMaxx kit. Definitely, if you're gonna buy this, make sure you get the V2 version, has the extended outer half shaft. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.